In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password-protected form, workaround. This method uses built-in form validation to place a simple password gate in front of the rest of your questions. It's not military-grade security, but it's perfect for keeping casual visitors out of quizzes, signups, or surveys you only want certain people to access. Start by opening your form and making sure the very first question is a short answer type. Rename that question to something clear like enter password so people immediately understand what's required. Turn on required so no one can skip it. Then look for the three-dot More menu on that question and choose Response Validation. This is the key feature that turns a normal short answer field into a password field. With validation open, set the rule so the form only accepts an exact match to your password. In the first dropdown, choose Regular Expression, and in the second, choose Matches. In the Pattern field, type the exact password you want to use. Remember, this is case sensitive, so access123 is not the same as access123. Right below that, add a custom error text such as incorrect password, please try again. This message appears whenever someone types the wrong code. Don't skip this. If you leave the error text blank, the platform may show a default hint that can accidentally reveal the correct answer. Next, hide the rest of the form behind a new section. Use the Add Section icon, the one that looks like two stacked rectangles, to create a second section below your password question. Move all of your real questions, whether it's a survey, quiz, or registration, into that second section. Now, when respondents open the form, they'll only see the password field. The next button won't allow them to proceed unless what they typed matches your password exactly. Before sharing, click Preview and test the flow yourself. Try a wrong password to confirm your custom error text appears, and then enter the correct one to ensure the form advances to Section 2. If you want to be extra clear, add a short description under the password question reminding users that the password is case sensitive and to avoid extra spaces. Choose a password that's not easy to guess, and share it only with the people who need it. If you ever need to change the password, edit the pattern field on that first question. That's it. Your form now has a simple, effective password gate using response validation and sections.